from Kiyumba, Sarangani Province, the former Flyweight World Champion, former Super Bantamweight World Champion, former Featherweight World Champion, former Super Featherweight World Champion, former Lightweight World Champion, former Light Welterweight World Champion, and reigning, defending WBO Welterweight Champion of the World, the fighting pride of the Philippines, Manny Pacman Pacquiao!
Mabuhay mga ka-champ! Kilala natin ang ating People's Champ, ang pambansang kamao, Manny Pacman Pacquiao, bilang isang buhay na alamat. 62 wins, 8 Division World Champion, at isang icon na nirerespeto sa buong mundo, sa politika at sa pamilya. Pero mga ka-champ, alam nyo ba kung saan, paano at kanino galing ang kanyang kauna-unahang talo? Tara, magbalik tanaw tayo. Taong 1996, nagsisimula pa lang ang batang Pacquiao. Walang nutritionist, walang world-class strength coach. Ayon sa mga kwento, naglalako pa siya ng pandesal at donut noon para lang may pandagdag gastos ng pamilya. Purong puso at pangarap lang ang baon niya. Sa panahong ito, bitbit ng 17 anyos, na si Pacman ang malinis na record na 12 wins, walang talo, at may 9 na knockout sa flyweight division. Masasabing unstoppable ang bagsik ng batang galing Gensan. February 9, Sulu Provincial Gym sa Holo. Isang 4 na round schedule na laban. Ang katapat niya, si Rustico Torrecampo. Isang 23 anyos na boksingero mula Cotabato na isang lehitimong construction worker. May record siyang 21 wins pero may 19 na talo. Isang maituturing na veterano pero hindi gaanong kilala.
His opponent featuring in the red corner, weighing 112 pounds, was born and raised in General Santos, PTF number 5 junior flyweight, RP number 7 junior flyweight. He has a record of 11 wins, 4 by knockout, undefeated, no loss, from Cordin Korea stable, Malabon, Metro Manila, Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao. Judges, Vic Rodriguez, Edwin Cefe, Alejandro Ordena. 10 rounds of professional boxing.
Unbeaten Manny Pacquiao going up against the hardened Rustico Torrecampo. One thing, Manny Pacquiao came into this one 1 pound over the stipulated weight limit of 111. As a result of that, he's going to have to wear 8-ounce gloves. That's going to be a disadvantage. This young boy didn't want to reduce, decided to take the odds, and we've been told that he's fighting with 8-ounce gloves. So that's a disadvantage. If you're a quick fighter, got quick hands, heavier weight, harder to hit. That's right, and not only that, take a little bit of sting of your punches because when you wear heavier gloves, then your punches are less of an impact when they land on your opponent. Now, Torrecampo is a slugger. Both top boys. Yes, Torrecampo, as we mentioned in the top of our coverage, has scored brilliant knockouts here on blow by blow, stopping the previously undefeated Reynanza Rojo and Marvin Corpus. Here we go, Torrecampo into the body. Torrecampo in blue, Pacquiao in white. Pacquiao base.
Unang round, nagtatansyahan ang dalawa. Palitan ng mga solidong suntok. Pero dito, nakita ang bentahe ng karanasan ni Torrecampo. Ang kanyang mga banat, nayayanig ang batang Pacquiao.
Why did Torrecampo wants to deliver a statement here to Manny Pacquiao that he is not at all fazed by the reputation of the unbeaten fighter. It's been Torrecampo from the start smoking. Actually, Pacquiao might have a rude awakening in this fight. Torrecampo is a big puncher. Pacquiao against the left commander. And one thing about Manny Pacquiao, he really has not been tested. He's not been really tested. Yeah, that's right. He really left by Torrecampo puncher. They tie each other up. Torre Campo setting the pace early in this fight. Yes.
Now we are scheduled for 10. Torre Campo being very, very...
Oh, he caught Pacquiao with a good left.
Of course, you raised the question whether Torre Campo can keep this blistering pace to the end. That is, of course, if Manny Pacquiao
With a good flurry of punches that time. But as I said, the heavier gloves are not going to help him when it comes to punching. He goes after Torre Campo. Beautiful right uppercut by Pacquiao. And the crowd's on his feet. He goes after Torre Campo. They're really slugging it out there. Torre Campo connects with a hard right. Pacquiao with a left from under. This fight won't go 10 rounds.
Well, the way it's going, Manny Pacquiao looking also for a quick knockout.
Yes. I mean, I think he's being angered, and he thinks that, he's left. Oh, beautiful left by Pacquiao. Punch in the face of Torre Campo. That was a big punch. Uppercut by Pacquiao.
Pacquiao's moving in Torre Campo. I mean, this is a slugfest.
Oh, beautiful looking right and left by Pacquiao.
Torre Campo.
Oh, stacking right by Pacquiao again. What a fight. What a fight.
Well, Pacquiao showing better defense, better footwork than Torre Campo.
There goes the bell. Rip roaring round. The bell for round number 2. Manny Pacquiao in the white trunks with the red stars and stripes down the side. Against hard-hitting Rustico Torre Campo in blue. And the first round has been nothing but action.
Ronnie medyo nagulat yata si Torre Campo with that late assault of Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah.
Torre Campo thought that he had the fight well in control. All of a sudden, because Pacquiao started dancing and connecting Muhammad Ali style.
They're really slugging it out. I mean, they're really going some big bumps, these two fighters.
And look at the way Manny Pacquiao is holding on to that right arm of Torre Campo. It looks like this youngster has learned a few tricks.
Oh, he missed with the left uppercut. Pacquiao going with the 1-2.
One thing about Pacquiao, he's steady with the combination.
Pagpasok ng round 2, naging mas agresibo si Torre Campo. Hindi naman nagpaawat si Pacman. Bumato rin siya ng mga kombinasyon at jabs para makaganti. Sabayan, bakbakan.
I mean, he's got a classy opponent.
Well, he's showing tremendous confidence. He's striking with that right jab and then connecting with the left hook. Torre Campo sort of stopped in his tracks.
Pacquiao with a good combination again. Torre Campo is staggered. He hurt Torre Campo that time, Finito.
Yes.
But Torre Campo is fighting back. It's nailed by Pacquiao.
And look at the way Pacquiao moves away from trouble. Good lateral movement on the part of Manny Pacquiao. Has a lot of moves for a young kid.
But this Torre Campo is really a gutsy fighter too. I mean, he's tough as they come.
Hindi din nagpapalamang ito si Rustico Torre Campo. Notice the intelligence of Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, good combination against Pacquiao. Oh, another cracking combination by Pacquiao.
Almost out on his feet.
Pacquiao going after Torre Campo. Cracking right. Another right by Torre Campo. By Pacquiao. And Torre Campo is trying to fight back, but he's getting nailed time and time again by Pacquiao.
A classic display of great craftsmanship here by Manny Pacquiao. He waits for Torre Campo to miss, and then he moves in with his combinations. What perfect timing. Torre Campo, rubbery leg. Manny Pacquiao taking his time and going for the kill. He's teaching Torre Campo a lesson.
Using the right jab very, very effectively and putting the combination together nicely.
Oh, that left hook connected.
And the hard left, that time the head clashed. And Pacquiao walking to the body and cracking him with the head. Torre Campo trying to fight back. Another good right by Pacquiao. Torre Campo in trouble, but they are exchanging big punches. There goes the bell, end of round number 2. We're going to take a break. What a fight this is.
Ngunit sa hindi inaasahan, sa unang minuto pa lang ng round 3, isang napakalupit na body shot ang binitawan ni Torre Campo. Sa pool sa bodega, ang batang Pacquiao. Bumagsak si Pacman at bakas sa kanyang mukha ang matinding sakit. Sinubukan niyang tumayo, pero itinigil na ng referee ang laban.
His eyes are across Torre Campo. Coming out of nowhere, Manny Pacquiao. His eyes.
Pero para sa isang tunay na kampiyon, ang talo ay hindi katapusan, kundi simula. 3 buwan lang ang lumipas, bumangon si Pacquiao at tinalo si Edito Quilong-Quilong. At noong December 1998, sinungkit niya ang kanyang kauna-unahang world title laban kay Chatchay Sasakul ng Thailand. And the rest, mga kachamp, is history. Fast forward ngayong 2026, mga kachamp, si Pacquiao ay nananatiling isa sa greatest of all time. Sa kabilang banda naman, ang nagbigay sa kanya ng unang talo na si Rustico Torrecampo ay patuloy pa rin sa paglaban sa hamon ng buhay bilang isang tricycle driver. Tunay na hindi mo masasabi ang ikot ng buhay. Kaya naman ang aral, laging magtiwala sa iyong pangarap at sa may kapal, gaya ng batang Pacquiao. Bumagsak man o matalo ngayon, babangon at magtatagumpay din bukas. Saludo sa ating mga boksingerong Pilipino. Sana ay nagustuhan nyo ang ating video. Huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. Patuloy tayong maging kampiyon sa buhay. Peace out.